Hello, my SAT Gooners. Today we'll be doing information retrieval questions. And so the basic concept around this question is that you don't even need to read the actual passage to understand how to frame the question. And so before we even look at this passage, we'll first be annotating key money words. And so the student wants to make a generalization about the kind of study conducted by Mosteller and Wallace. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? And so they want to make a generalization. So they don't want to go in depth about the overall topic, but they kind of want to get the overall gist. And so just looking at the questions, giving the statistical analysis of the Federalist Papers, Frederick Mosteller and David Wallace concluded that James Madison wrote 12 disputed essays. And so that could be a generalization about the kind of study. And as you can see here, kind of study, that is definitely a money word. So that could be, despite similarities in the sentence length and writing style, Hamilton and Madison's wording in the disputed essays revealed that Madison is the most likely author. And so over here, this one prepositional phrase, revealed Madison is most likely the author. That is the conclusion given. And so that is not a generalization about the kind of study. So that is definitely not correct. And then researchers determined from 30 words distinguishing the authors that the 12 disputed essays of the Federalist Papers were written by James Madison, not Alexander Hamilton. And so that again gave us a generalization. That again does not give a generalization. Mathematicians have used statistical analysis to solve a mystery about the authorship of historical documents. Okay, so this gives us two possible answers. And so since it says a generalization, this looks a little more specific than we want it to be. It gives us the name, Federalist Papers, and it talks about the two authors, Mosteller and Wallace. And so we can also rule this one out for being too specific. And so the only answer can be D. Mathematicians have used statistical analysis to solve a mystery about the authorship of historical documents. And so ding, ding, ding. That is our correct answer, and we will submit this.